Yeah, best believe gotta have that cheese for the green leaf to the kiss you sleep.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
We're not against rap. We're not against rappers. But we are against those thugs.
Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yeah. Okay, so this video is gonna be pretty cool because, okay, well, I guess it'll be pretty cool if you're a Bone Thugs and Harmony fan, okay? So where are all the Bone Thugs and Harmony fans? Comment below. There's gotta be some Bone Thugs and Harmony fans that watch my channel. I mean, come on. Just saying, like, how can there not be? So I'm gonna show you some dope new stuff that I got that you will want to get if you're a Bone Thugs fan and you want to be thugged out and be feeling all thuggish ruggish and whatnot, okay? Yeah, so I got a few things. It's some Bone Thugs merch. It's from a site called Layzie. So basically it's Layzie Bone's website. Layzie Bone, he's one of the members of Bone Thugs, which you should know. And he has a site with some of his merch, with also some authentic Bone Thugs and Harmony merch and everything, and it's called LazyGear.com. So they sent me a couple of things. So I got this hat. That says Bone Thugs and Harmony on it. It's pink. They have different colors. They have black, they have white, they have, I think they have some leather ones, and they have black with the red print, they have black with white print. They have a good few colors, and this is like probably the only one that looks girly, I guess, if you want something that's more girly. So yeah, if you're a dude, don't worry. The rest of the hats on there are like black and white, gray, stuff like that, that you dudes like. So yeah, it's fitted. I mean, you can fit it to your size. So I have a small head, I think, so I don't want to get makeup on it. You see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? See what's up, yo? Look, I need my earrings on. Okay, that's better. Feeling so totally 90s. I'm always feeling 90s-ish, though. I'm always feeling 90s-ish and totally thugged out. My own mama said I'm thugged out. Just kidding. So I also got a couple of accessories. Alright, so let's open this one first. Alright, I'm opening this stuff for the first time. It's still brand new. Scissors. Alright, so this, I think this is the keychain. Yes. Yeah, it's a keychain. Bone Thugs keychain. It's black and silver, so that's cute. Put this on your keys. I might put it on my bag. My backpack. And then this, okay, this is pretty dope. I think it's some bling. It says hip hop bling on the side, but it came from the Layzie Gear site, but it says Bone Thugs on it. Oh, it says Layzie on the front. Pretty nice box. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Look at this. Yo, look at this. Yo, son. Yo, son. Oh, shit. I mean, yeah. That's pretty dope. Okay, wait. I gotta show some up-close shots of this. So, I'm unboxing it with you guys, okay? Open it for the first time. I think these chains are on sale right now on the site. You have to check. Oh, wait, there's something else in there. Oh, it's a card. It says official merchandise. Bone Thugs and Harmony official merchandise. Authenticity certificate. This card officially certifies that this is an authentic Bone Thugs and Harmony piece produced in collaboration with Layzie Gear and Hip Hop Bling. Your piece is crafted from high quality materials and built for lasting durability. This certificate provides a 1-year warranty covering all manufacturer defects from date of purchase. Share on social media for a chance to be featured on #LazyGayer. And this is LazyGayer.com and hiphopbling.com. Okay, so let's see. It has like the Hip Hop Bling logo and Layzie like printed into the. It's on one side, so I don't know. Maybe that's like the back. Yeah, it's the back of it. And then it has it up here too. I have to show some close-up shots of this. It has the Layzie logo on one side and the hip hop. It's a rope chain. Okay, so I should be able to just like put this on my head. There. Dang it, son. Dang it. So it hangs down to about there. That's not too bad. Alright, also I'm gonna show y'all some better shots of this so you can see, but yeah, I have like better shots and stuff on my Instagram too. I have some pictures on my Instagram. Plus you can go on LazyGayer has the Instagram too where you can see pictures and of course the website. And they have this chain in silver too. I think they call it white gold though, but it looks silver to me. Like this is called yellow gold and they have another one that says white gold, but it actually looks like a silver. But and then they have bigger ones like that have like diamonds in it. They have like a mold thug. They have like a mold thug chain. You could get some CDs on there, like physical copy of CDs though. If you like still collecting your physical copies of CDs. So I mean it has like Layzie Bones, you know, his solo albums are on there. And he just dropped a new album called Lost and Found. I decided to come outside. So yeah, like I said, they have a few different chains. They have a Mold Thuggers one, you can get the albums. They have t-shirts and hoodies and lots of other stuff, lots of other accessories. So make sure you go check that out. I have the link in my description. So yeah, go get you some LazyGayer and some authentic Bone Thugs and Harmony merch and get thugged out. So yeah, if you're a Bone Thugs fan, you definitely need to check this out. Comment below if you're a Bone Thugs fan and if you're about to go get you some LazyGayer, some Bone merch. And give a thumbs up if you like this video. And make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.
We're not against rap. We're not against rappers. But we are against those thugs.
Bitches bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.